Hey everyone, welcome to a special episode of SNEED-CAST Industry Update coming to you live from PACK Expo Las Vegas. I'm your host Alexa and we're here to celebrate this exciting event by diving deep into the world of sustainability and innovation, perfectly aligned with the show's theme. In this episode, we'll be exploring cutting-edge technological innovations that are soon to revolutionize the food industry, as well as analyze the partnerships that could bring us closer to eliminating plastic waste. But that's not all. Stay tuned until the very end as we have a special guest joining us, none other than the Director of Sustainable Packaging himself, Cory Conners. Now, let's get this industry update rolling. It's safe to say that the food and agriculture industry have always used technology to advance production, but today the need for technological innovative solutions is being driven by labor shortages, consumer demands, global competition, and the economics of a post-pandemic world. ZAG Technical Services, an award-winning IT consulting firm and security provider, recently released an informational white paper known as How Technology Will Change the Food Industry in 2024 and Beyond, in hopes of bringing attention to the vital role technology plays in shaping the industries we all heavily rely on today. Thuan Go, Vice President of ZAG Data and Software Services, goes on to say, as the food industry reflects on their opportunities to grow, it's important for them to see the value of technology and data as a tool for providing competitive advantage. The reality is, companies that are growing have leaders that recognize the value of their data and its power to help them not just compete, but outperform and outpace the competition. So, how is it that this data is revolutionizing the food industry? According to the information found within the white paper, improved technology and integrated systems are capturing huge quantities of data that need to be analyzed. Everyone from engineers, scientists, buyers, and marketers are using this data to monitor inputs, assess operations, improve efficiency, reduce costs, ensure better quality control, meet consumers' needs, optimize resources, reduce waste, and enhance the overall consumer experience. In fact, big data is being driven by none other than IoT, or the Internet of Things. IoT consists of any device that has the ability to collect and process data and then connect and exchange the data over a network of the Internet. Thanks to big data and IoT, the food and beverage industry is projected to reach $8.43 billion by 2025. IoT and big data aren't the only resources being embraced by the food and agriculture industry. During the post-pandemic era, we saw these industries begin to integrate robotics and automation to empower their workforce while reducing labor expenses. Our Markets and Markets report already put the precision agriculture market at $8.5 billion, and robotics for food processing is expected to break $2 billion by 2028. Greg Gatzke, president of ZAG, added, looking ahead, it is imperative that our industry recognizes that technology is the new farming input. Technology enables our team to deliver more value, and when used in tandem with the application of strategic data insights, we can transform how people conduct business and create opportunities for competitive advantage. With the rise of AI, VR, AR, and other innovative technologies, we will see even more changes throughout the food and agriculture industry in the upcoming years. The push towards creating a more sustainable production process continues, and this time we're talking about ending plastic packaging. Amcor, a global leader in developing and producing responsible packaging solutions, and the much-beloved maker of Cadbury snacks, Mondelez International Incorporated, have decided to invest in advanced recycling technology pioneer Licella in an effort to end plastic waste. Thanks to these investments, Licella will be able to jumpstart the construction of one of the first advanced recycling facilities in Australia. Licella is planning on using its innovative catalytic hydrothermal reactor technology to recycle end-of-life plastic back into a crude oil substitute to produce new food-grade plastic packaging. Catalytic hydrothermal reactor technology is an advanced hydrothermal liquefaction technology that uses pressurized hot water to continuously recycle end-of-life plastic that would have otherwise been sent to a landfill. The new facility, known as Advanced Recycling Victoria, will initially process about 20,000 tons per year of end-of-life plastic, with plans to eventually reach up to 120 tons of end-of-life plastic per year. Through Amcor, Mondelez International will be able to recycle content from this site to meet much of its Australian soft plastic packaging needs. Thanks to this new recycling facility, there will be a significant reduction in the need for virgin plastic in Australia. According to Frank Lehman, the Vice President of Corporate Venturing and Open Innovation at Amcor, Amcor is continually seeking opportunities to invest in new technologies that will bring long-term benefits to our customers, consumers, and the planet. We recognize our products can play a vital role in the circular economy, and partnerships like this enhance our ability to deliver innovative solutions for our customers like Mondelez International. Mike Cash, the president of Amcor Flexibles Asia Pacific, went on to add, Amcor will be able to meet increasing customer demand for recycled content in the region with this investment, as well as take another step closer to achieving our target of 30% recycled content across Amcor's portfolio by 2030. Amcor's team isn't the only one making a push towards sustainability, though. In fact, with the sustainability as the fourth pillar of Mondelez International long-term business strategy, The company's sustainability initiatives are designed to drive growth and create value for its many stakeholders. They also recognize the environmental challenges associated with waste, which is why, through their Light and Right packaging strategy, they're partnering up with other companies to create and support a circular economy for packaging waste. Christine Montenegro McGrath, Senior Vice President and Chief Global Impact and Sustainability Officer at Mondelez, went on to say, "This investment brings together multiple stakeholders in the supply chain to scale the infrastructure and technology needed to help a more sustainable future for plastics and is part of our long-term focus on working towards our goal of net zero packaging waste by supporting circular economies." We love to see the push for sustainability globally, but for now, let's come back from Australia and make our way back to Vegas.
Kind of what got you into like the sustainability side, and how did that get started?
You know, growing up in Portland in the Northwest, we spent a lot of time outdoors, and really we cared about the environment. It was something that we were all excited about and wanted to be good patrons of.
Sure.
So Oregon is the first state to have a bottle deposit bill.
Okay.
And so when we would travel to other states, I would say, well, you're not recycling those cans? What's wrong with you?
Sure.
They just didn't know.
Right.
It wasn't something they did.
Whether you couldn't make it to Pack Expo and want a glimpse of the highlights, or you simply want to relive the hustle and bustle of it all, we have you covered. In addition to our SNEED-CAST industry update, we'll also be bringing you a special Pack Expo SNEED-CAST episode. So keep an eye out on all of our social media platforms for that release date. Like always, make sure to stay tuned for our next episode of SNEED-CAST Industry Update, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below to stay up to date with all of our great content. Follow our social media platforms to see all of our updates as we continue on our We're Coding Everywhere tour. Also, let us know what topics you'd like to see us talk about here on the show. We look forward to hearing from you all. See you next time.